Today I just wanted to make a chicken crock pot meal because I work 2 jobs and just always busy. I just don't have a lot of time to make crock pot meals, and my crock pot cooks really fast. That's really fast. So it's just really hard to put something in the morning, go to work. When I come, it's just going to be overcooked. So I'm off today, both jobs. So that's exciting. So let me show you what I'm working with. Okay, we got just some chicken. This is 4.265 pounds. I also have some potatoes, carrots, onions. I think we're going to start rinsing the chicken, adding some salt, pepper, seasoning, and then I'll show you the rest. So I'm going to add sprinkle some salt, pepper, and 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. Then we're going to add 2 cups of water. Alright, next I got these little potatoes. I don't think I need to cut them. Just going to add some potatoes to the crockpot dish. Okay, and next we'll be adding some carrots. Alright, now we're going to sprinkle some chopped onion on top. This is about half an onion. Alright, that's it. Now we just put the lid on. And we're going to do low for 8 hours. Although it's not going to take 8 hours to cook. Probably take 4 to 5 hours to cook. And about an hour before I think it's done, I'm going to add some cabbage. Just to make it kind of healthier. So yeah. Now I can just do my errands. Alright guys, it's 5 p.m. I think it's done. Oh, it's hot. It looks absolutely amazing. I do want to add the cabbage because I love cabbage, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright, probably cook it for another 45 minutes to an hour. I'm super hungry right now, but yeah, about 45 minutes to an hour. It's been about an hour, so it's done. Maybe a little overcooked, but it's fine. Guys, I am so hungry. Remember how I said I don't have much of an appetite? Well, I don't know what it is today. I'm just very hungry. All right, here it is. Looks amazing. Got some Caesar salad and some toast. Yum. All right, guys, you saw a little video how I did this. I'm super excited. This is super hot, but I'm gonna have some Caesar salad. I also have some toast, so that'd be kind of fun to do toast as well. I'm really hungry, so we'll start with the Caesar salad. I'll tell you about my day. Pretty good day. Today is a holiday, both my jobs. So I'm off both my jobs. It's so exciting. Yeah, and also I started to clean my storage unit today. My house is so messy right now. I haven't put away my Christmas gifts yet in boxes. Now I went to the storage and have at least 5 or 6 different boxes. I have to go through to figure out what's trash, what I need to keep. I have some paperwork. Might have to shred that. And today I went to Walmart to talk to a manager, see if I can change my availability, because the girl who did it, I think she did it wrong because it's not showing up. It's been 6 weeks. It takes 3 weeks. And they said, I went there today on my day off, and they said that because I'm not clocked in, I can't change my availability, which is really weird. I don't know why. So after going through my storage unit, I'm thinking it's going to take quite a while to go through everything. I don't know how my house is such a mess because all this boxes I have at the moment. I think it's actually a good idea to wait on increasing more hours at Walmart until I get my house organized a little bit. And maybe I'm having a hard time trying to get hours at Walmart, extra hours. Maybe I'm not supposed to work extra hours. I'm trying to figure out, is it a sign? I don't know. But I don't know what else I would do to get an apartment. But maybe it's just not, I feel like it's not the time right now. I have just so much going on at the moment. I'm so glad I was off today. I was able to upload my Christmas vlog today on my new computer. First video on my new computer. So that's exciting. So good. I love a good Caesar salad. This is amazing. I also can't find my mic, so I need to. That's why. Hopefully the sound is okay, but it's probably boxed up somewhere. I'm just boxing as well. Alright, now we have the main course, chicken crockpot. You don't have to add cabbage. I just did it because it's kind of a healthier option, but you don't have to. But I had some of it, the taste test, and I don't know because I'm just super hungry, but it's absolutely amazing. Like, it's better than before I ever made it. Oh, I want to add salt and pepper. I'll be right back. So a little salt and pepper, gives some little flavor. Yeah, I don't know. Lately I've been really craving just homemade, healthy food, and it's still hot. Oh my god. It's so effing good. That potato part was really good. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. Out of all the crockpot meals, which I don't make a lot, I don't know what I made before. I think I made chili, spaghetti sauce, beef stew, maybe some pot roast or something. This is my favorite crockpot meal. It's super easy. Good flavor, healthy, amazing. A few days ago, I was really craving lima beans. If I'm still craving it, I might make it in the crock pot. I might. We'll see. But yeah, so today's the first. I'm off all day today. Such a nice treat. Never off all day. So I made this crockpot meal because it's just really hard to make crockpot meals when I work 2 jobs. Even working at 6, I could still do it. I would have to get up really early. Because my crockpot it cooks very, very fast. Like I started at 11 and was basically done by 5. So if I started this in the morning and came from work, it would have been overcooked. So. And you get tired of having this meal through 2 or 3 times, you can make chicken sandwiches. on some great sourdough bread. I have some sourdough toast. Good. I don't know what it is. I still crave. I'm not craving fast food. Kind of weird. Healthy food. Yeah, let me know. What's your favorite crockpot dish? You have a good recipe? I want to make crab pasta. There you go. I used to make it years ago. I don't know, remember the recipe? Maybe I can find a similar one. But it'd be cool to make that. Maybe. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great after holidays life or whatever. I went live on New Year's Eve, and a few subscribers kind of wanted me to stay until midnight, which would have been like a 4-hour live. So yeah, okay, I'll do that. I kind of want to get some editing done, and I got some editing, and I kind of showed at the very end of the video how I kind of edit. So yeah, it was a fun live. I have to go through some files because when I had when I had an apartment years ago, I used to have a file cabinet, and I put all my files, and just because I guess when I was a fire clerk years ago, I just this was very organized at home, and just organized my files, like my bank statements. I would just put a file for pictures, random pictures, or recipes, just different stuff. Bank statements or like pay stubs, but now I got rid of my file cabinet when I got this studio apartment because I just felt like it was just too much space. It wasn't good. So now I have a storage unit, which I'm trying to get rid of, but maybe when I get my new apartment, I'll reconsider a file cabinet. It depends. I'm gonna go through everything to see if I actually need a file cabinet. But yeah. This is amazing. Very good. So that's pretty much going on. It's a fun life. Trying to organize my life. Declutter. It's kind of cool. I'm actually the first day I'm trying to get rid of my storage, and it's January 1st. Like it's like new year, new beginnings, you know. pretty much it. With me, how are you guys doing? Comment down below, how are you doing? So last night, I tried this pizza, Wild Mike's. Pretty good pizza. I got this at Winco. Sometimes Grocery Outlet has this, and it comes with this like little spice package of red pepper and Italian seasoning, and it's just really good. I was actually gonna do a regular video, but you know, I might as well just do it for like a New Year's Live. I don't have to go to the go get pizza and the crowds. So yeah. I have enough for quite a bit of night. So if I'm just done with this chicken, you know, I can make chicken sandwiches. I was looking to freeze it, but I just don't like when I freeze food. I just noticed it doesn't taste as fresh when I take it out again in the freezer. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am just lately craving homemade, healthier food. If you guys have a suggestion to make at home, let me know. I mean, I might go get something. I've been kind of craving those Panera sandwiches with the hot broth. That might be kind of good. But right now, I'm just craving some healthy food. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next video. And Happy New Year. Peace.